Hello, I'm Sam. Thank you for joining me today. I am an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator based in the UK, and today I'm bringing you a project for Valentine's Day. So this is the one I did in Poppy Parade. So today we're going to use Gorgeous Grape. So I've cut some bits out, got some ribbon. So we're going to be using the I Love You from Vertical Greetings, and we're going to be using the Heart Constellation from Little Twinkle. Right, okay. I want some rhinestones. Are they in there? No. So we'll put that there. Okay, right, so to start with, we have a normal card base, which is 5 7/8 by 4 1/8, and we're going to have it this way. I've got a layer of Gorgeous Grape, and I've got a Whisper White layer there, and then I've got the largest and the second largest of the stitched shape frame that's in the square, so, and that's what we're going to be stamping on there. So I want that bit and that bit for stamping. I need to get on my chair. I have this habit of like sitting on the edge of it, I don't know why. So let's set some ink out, put that straight on the grid paper. Actually, that's a bit fuzzy on there. So if you can see, that's like got a bit of a fuzzy edge. So I'm just going to take a buffer block that you use to do your nails with and give it a rub. There we go, that's better. So I'm going to line that up there like so. And then I'm going to put my square there to give me an idea of where I need to put the I Love You. So let's get some ink. Got carried away there. Got ink in places I don't want it. Let's try that again. I need to straighten it, put it straight on the grid mat. Pick it up. Tappy tappy. Lovely. Right, so this one's going to go here. Is that straight? Yeah, it's difficult. I got the light there, and when I go to stamp, the light shines on my block and I can't see what I'm stamping. So now we want this one. I got the wrong square. No, it's just a very tight fit. Okay, I'm going to bring this a little bit closer to me so I can make sure I get it all on. So I'm going to put that there. Lean in a little bit. Wish me luck. Ta-da! That's not bad, is it? So we'll put the ink away up there, and then we bring in all our bits. So first of all, I'm going to stick this layer onto that layer, flying glue. Got dropsies today. So both the stamp sets I'm using today are actually in the annual catalogue, but we do have new a new Valentine's set in the New Occasions catalogue. So, right, where's my ribbon? Oh, this one's not open. Hang on. Try to find the end. There it is. I found it. If I can get hold of it or not, it's a different matter. There we go. So this is the gorgeous grape ribbon. So we need about that much, which is 6 inches ish. So that's our ribbon. We're going to put that, let's have a check where we want it a minute. So that's going to go there, and that's going to go on the top. I don't really need to worry about that for a minute. So we want our ribbon about there. Yeah, okay. I think what I'll do is I'll measure it with my grid paper. So let's just go back and start that again. So there's the ribbon. Line it up roughly with my grid paper. And then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm going to just flip that over, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Put that there. Then I know that that needs to go there. So we'll have a bit of fast fuse with cardboard stuck to it. Have a bit of fast fuse. There, and a bit there. Like so. We'll put that bit over there. And that bit over there. There we go. Then that can go on to the card base. Put that away. I don't have a lot of room on my desk. I am literally working in on my grid paper, and then I have things dotted about everywhere. Put a bit of glue on there. Which side do we want? That one or that one? That one. I'm going to pop that on there, like so. Lovely. I'm going to pop this one onto this one. Get that straight. Like so. Now I want some dimensionals. I don't want little ones. I want some, they're little ones too. Hang on. There's me big ones. Don't want them. Okay, so I'm going to put one in each corner. Like that. Take the backs off. Like that. Like that. Right, so on this one I used the red rhinestones, but we haven't got any in the Gorgeous Grape. So what I'm going to do is take my dark Highland Heather blend and my rhinestones, excuse me, and I'm just going to colour them with my blend to give them how much did I put on that one? 4. Give them a little bit of colour like that, and just give those a minute to dry, and I can tell you about the new catalogue we've got. So 3rd of January launched the spring summer catalogue, and this has got lots of lovely new products in, and this is available right up until the end of March when the new annual catalogue comes out. But alongside that we have what's called Celebration. So for every £45 you spend from the spring summer catalogue or the annual catalogue or anything on the website, you get to choose one of these for free. So we've got stamp sets, we've got ribbon, wooden elements, make sure I'm in the camera, paper, some more stamp sets. This is foil sheets, and that's absolutely amazing. Frogs. And then we've got a card kit, and then at the end we've got what's called level 2, which is for a £90 spend. So you've got tea time framelit dies that coordinate with the stamp set that's in the spring summer catalogue, and these are actually carrying over to the new annual catalogue, we have been told that. And then we've got this stamp set here, which is a £90 spend. This one is actually 16 pieces, so there's a lot of stamps in there, lots of different things. So the celebration runs to the 31st of March. We've got, if you have a workshop or a party, you can, you hit 150 in sales, you get 10% stamping rewards like normal. If you put in an order for £200, you get 10%, plus you get £20 more stamping rewards, so you'll get £40 to spend on whatever you like there. And then the joining offer, which is always the best offer, is the starter kit is £99 including postage and packing, and you get £170 worth of products that you choose yourself from across the range. No, you don't get told what you have to have, plus you get a free business pack. So that's option 1. Option 2 is the same thing, but you get the craft and carry tote, and it's £125. So the craft and carry tote is worth £47, so you'll get it paying half price basically for the tote bag and your £99 for your 170 worth of products. So yeah, you don't need to be a demonstrator, you don't need to demonstrate, you don't need to do YouTube videos or anything like that. You can just be a discount shopper and take advantage of the starter kit, and then after your starter kit, the first time all your orders from then on, you'll get 20% discount. So if you're a card maker or something like that, you can get some discount supplies. Right, let's find me Tiki Picky. So there's me Tiki Picky. So all the details are over my blog. All my contact details are in the description box below. So if you'd like to get in touch, please do. Right, now we're going to put these on the... Now I'm looking at that don't look straight. I'm going to put these on the large dots on this stamped image. Oh, my ends fell off. Whoopsie. Didn't put that in there right, did I? Like so. And there we go. Gorgeous grape or poppy parade, which ones you like the best? Mine is the purple. I'm a purple fan, so that's it for today then. Like I say, all my measurements will be over on my blog. If you need to get in touch, then please do. Thank you very much for spending some time with me. Do like and subscribe, because it helps me know that people are liking my videos. Okay, thank you very much for your time, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.